welcome back to Reagan's Beauty. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to go to the zoo and I'm doing a little vlog with Griffin and we're just gonna kind of film and hang out, so it's gonna be super fun. So we're on the way there right now. We had Chick-fil-A for breakfast. Oh, we played Fortnite. If you guys watched my other vlog, I play a lot of Fortnite with Griffin. So right now we're on the way to the zoo and it's gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a few minutes when we get to the zoo. Bye. Okay, so I forgot to mention, but I just filmed a dorm tour for you guys, and I filmed it like on Wednesday, I think, and then I had it ready. It took me like 2 days to edit. It was a really long video, so it took me a really long time. I was like putting all these cool edits in. I was so excited. And then yesterday I went to export the video and something went wrong and the video failed and I lost all of my footage. So I'm really sorry that I'm not gonna be able to post that. But if you guys still wanna see a dorm tour, just comment down below and let me know, and that way I can film another one. But if you don't really care to see it, then I just won't make another one. But also, exciting news is that I just purchased a camera. I purchased a Sony Alpha 5000 and I'm super excited. It's shipping today, so it will be here very soon. I'm so excited. I will insert a picture somewhere right here probably. So yeah, that is all I had to tell you guys, and we're still on the way to the zoo, so I'll see you guys in a minute. We are here. It's definitely a warm day in February in South Carolina.
Yeah, tickets and memberships.
Oh my God.
Then we can go like all the way around this way to like the barn, catch all this, and then do like these at the end.
That's a good plan.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got our wristbands. Yeah, we're pretty premium like that. And I'm vlogging in public and this is so weird. People are staring at me. Bye.
And Aussie.
Hey, buddy.
He's so cute.
Ew, look at his legs. We're going to see the gorillas. What do you like about the gorillas?
They're big and hairy.
Ooh, gross. Oh, just lost Griffin. So, update, there were no gorillas, so I'm a little upset.
And the gorillas are my favorite too.
Maybe we'll have better luck at the next exhibit. We are now entering the bat cave. Oh my gosh, everything's closed off. Everything. No gorillas.
No bat cave.
No bat cave?
My two favorite things.
What is this, riverbanks? We found the gorillas, so there they are. Are you happy?
I'm a happy camper now.
Thank you. Ew. That's a donk. Oh, we're heading up the meerkat. This is Griffin's spirit animal. I always tell him he looks like a meerkat. So let's just observe.
He's looking at you.
Oh yes, looks just like me. It's like the Lion King. Dig, 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 dig a tunnel. Dig a tunnel for the hyenas come. Dig, dig, dig a tunnel. Dig a tunnel for the hyenas come.
And my ultimate favorite, the majestic elephant. What a beauty. He doesn't like the elephants so much. They also smell really, really freaking bad. Like, kind of smells like Griffin's farts. Ooh, I just roasted you.
You smell bad all the time.
Girl, what fake lashes do you use? What brand is that? I'm going to feed the giraffes.
I'm not gonna feed the giraffes because I'm scared of giraffes. Buddy, are you good? Oh my gosh! Ew, that was the worst experience of my entire life. So that was super eventful. I just put on some hand sanitizer so I'm not as nasty anymore. But yeah, that was actually really not enjoyable. His tongue kind of felt like sandpaper, so that was really gross. So Griffin has decided he's hungry, so we're just gonna go check out some lunch. Chicken tenders, burgers, pizza, sandwiches, kids meal. Awesome.
Sounds like a Reagan restaurant, am I right?
You hungry?
Yeah.
good.
Honey mustard with some fries and some chicken. It's really good. So I vowed to Griffin that I would take a picture with every single statue we find, so insert the picture right now.
Ooh, ooh, I ooh, 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 ee.
Oh my goodness, oh wow. Oh no, here's another one. Here we go. All right guys, this is my favorite part about coming to the zoo. I like to see the naked morons, so we're here. Those are my all-time favorite things to see.
You're so unnatural.
So as the meerkat was Griffin's spirit animal, the koala is my spirit animal because I'm always sleeping. Like 24/7, I'm always sleeping. You can just barely see him. Look, it's right there. See it? He's sleeping. So here I am again trying to feed some random animal. You both can share. You Oh no, I'm tapping out. I gotta go, I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. They're so loud.
It's so cool.
Oh no. Here we go. Get ready.
What is this guy on the left doing now?
They're so cute. I love the bears. I want a bear. So we saved all of the best exhibits for last so that we could enjoy the last few things.
So we had the
a
fishies
lot.
over there.
Oh, the flamingos. I love the penguins, but one thing I really hate about this exhibit is that it smells so bad. It smells so bad in here. Hey, buddy. So we have the fishes and the sea lions, and then we're done at the zoo for today. It's been a good day. Oh yeah. Let's go.
Fish for shade.
Ew.
What is a lizard on the...
These are cockroaches.
He's hanging upside down.
Ew.
Those are just. Can you get them?
Whoa, that's a nice watch, bruh.
Look at him over here too. All three of them.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Story.
Correct, sir. We're entering the sea lion exhibit, which is fairly new. There's a guy cleaning. Well, we are done with the zoo, so we are going to head home. We saw everything we came to see, and we are very satisfied with our day.
I love the feeling when you're walking in your cabin, ain't no turning back, I'm all and I ain't finished, just what I'm more. Probably ain't no ceiling, don't be silly, ain't no stealing when I'm in, cause homie, this is my spot, my spot. Way up in the clouds like I'm on one. Way up in the clouds like I'm on. Way up in the clouds like I'm on one. Way up in the clouds like I'm on.
So it's been a while since we got back from the zoo. It's now 6:50 and we got back from the zoo at like 3:45 or 4 o'clock. So it's been a while and we are hungry and ready for some dinner. So we decided to go to the store and get some ingredients to go ahead and cook. So tonight we are going to be making spicy Parmesan chicken pasta, and it's gonna look like this. It's gonna be so good. We've made it before. So we are going to run to the store and get some ingredients for that, and we'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, so we went to Publix and we got some chicken and some penne noodles. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but noodles for our spicy Parmesan chicken pasta. is it? Really good.
The chicken and the noodles are, oh man, it's so good.
Okay, I'll try it.
Better first time I made it. Is that good?
So good. That was delicious. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. We're just gonna hang out for the rest of the night. So I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite animal at the zoo. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.